Welcome back to Crypto for Photographers, where I educate photographers like yourself all about the wonders of crypto because I do not want my photography community being left behind. Today we'll be discussing the easiest investment strategy that literally a 2-year-old could do. Roll the intro. I've teamed up with MetaPurse and NAS Academy to bring you Crypto for Photographers, a series where I educate you photographers about crypto and how it's taking on the establishment and bringing power back to the people. That's because we want you to make money with crypto and NFTs. Is it too late to get involved? Absolutely not. Let's not beat about the bush. Investing money is a daunting prospect. What most people don't realize about investing is that the most disciplined and sort of most apathetic ones tend to be the most successful. If you can control your emotions and sort of ignore sort of the media, the noise, and sort of the hype, if you can ignore price fluctuations and really sort of become like a monk, you're gonna do far, far better than if you just let yourself be essentially emotionally manipulated. In reality, you'll find an incredible project that you believe in, and every time the price goes down, every time the market goes down, you're going to be shitting bricks. And basically, I'm going to tell you that when that does happen, you just need to be strong, be patient, because eventually the market will pick back up. If the project you've chosen has strong fundamentals and it has inherent value and has real use case in the world, then price fluctuations really shouldn't matter to you. As I said before, this whole series is not financial advice. You got to do your own research outside of this series. Anyways, so what is this simple strategy I'm talking about that literally anyone can do? It's called dollar cost averaging, or DCA for short. This is essentially where you buy a certain amount of a coin that you're interested in on a regular basis, and you pay zero attention to the price. So, for example, let's say I am dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin. So I say to myself, I'm gonna buy $10 worth of Bitcoin every single Monday. Regardless of the price, that's what I'm gonna do. If Bitcoin goes to $35,000, I'm gonna buy $10 worth of it. If Bitcoin on the next Monday then goes down to $10,000, I'm gonna buy $10 worth of it. So this is a common strategy that people use when the markets are volatile, which crypto is. Crypto is extremely volatile, meaning price goes up and down often. And it's also one used by beginners because it's super simple, and the beauty of it is that it takes thinking out of the equation. You don't have to think about it. You know that on this day, you're just gonna spend X amount regardless of the price. The benefit of doing DCA, or dollar cost averaging, is because on average, you'll make more money. That's essentially what it comes down to. Because let's say you didn't dollar cost average and you just follow the news, you follow the hype, and if you were a newbie, you probably bought when it was at the top, and then when price started to plummet, you started freaking out. So you sold it at the bottom, and then you saw price going back up again. So then you FOMO back in, and you're like, oh crap, you're left worse off. Whereas if you just bought at the top, bought at the bottom, keep buying along the way, it sort of all averages out. If you want a DCA, if you're thinking about dollar cost averaging, I highly recommend you guys watch this video. Now, there's actually an even easier investment strategy than that. Even easier, that requires even less thought. And it's called HODL. It's called hodling, or holding on for dear life. This is actually where you will make the most money. This hodling beats any type of strategy. It beats trading. You will make more money hodling than you ever will trading. In short, it just means holding on to your investment for dear life for a extended period of time, for a long period of time. And it's hard, it's simple, but it's hard to do because it requires diamond hands. You're gonna have to weather storms along the way. Hodling is a minimum of 3 weeks. of 3 years. And if you can hodl in the crypto market, one, you're gonna learn new levels of enlightenment. So for example, people who hodled through the 2017 bear market, where Bitcoin essentially plummeted, and they hodled through that and then held on to it all the way until the 2020-21 bull run. Like, those guys are absolutely laughing. They are laughing all the way to the bank. Essentially, people who hodl, they couldn't give a shit about short-term price fluctuations. They understand that market cycles exist. They understand that price goes up and down. They know that in general, long-term, with, you know, price will continue to go up. Of course, that's easier said than done. Sorry, I'm gonna have to re-record this bit here. Might cut out. There's a saying in crypto that time in the market always beats timing the market. What that means is you're always gonna make more money in the long term if you just stay put in the market and just be patient. You know, instead of trying to like finesse and trying to outsmart the market, trying to find the perfect entry point, you're always gonna make more money if you just stay in the market long enough. Anyways, guys, this is the last video of the month. Hopefully by now you feel far more confident and comfortable around crypto. Hopefully you have a stronger grasp of what it is. So now, looking forward, what can you look forward to in the next 2 months? We're going to be talking about NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Simply put, it's digital art, digital collectibles, and this is where you guys as photographers can make money. So make sure you bloody subscribe to the channel, because this is where it starts getting really exciting, guys. You do not want to miss this. Follow me on Instagram at Zain Photos so you don't miss any updates on the series, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace. Thank you.